Are you planning your dream house? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
If you are the first time here and you love design, hit the like button if you like the video so far. Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished. Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.